Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Archer and Olive. Let me adjust here. In my Archer and Olive that I use for work. And this week, I'm actually going to be using some of this deco from Let's Plan It from her Scarlet kit. And I will be bringing in some florals, these dahlias, and maybe some poppies from According to Allie. And I know that I will probably, look at this gorgeous sticker book from Allie, probably be using some of her numbers as well. Let me just pull these out here. And then I think I'm gonna bring in some washi, not sure which ones yet, and of course, some highlighters. Let's get started. Okay, so I have to be completely honest, it feels a little funny decorating in this now, knowing that I've got my Hobonichi Weeks basically off to the side waiting for me to use it. I'm just like crazy excited to be using my Hobonichi Weeks for work, but I know that I will still use this now. Like, there's some amazing decor in this. So what is the best way to do this? I'm thinking, let's put some of the decoration down first, because I always think like I have to put the dates down first, and then I make a mistake of not having any decoration up here. So I'm gonna actually put it all the way to the edge and then cut off any excess there. So just to cut this off. Yes, I always make the mistake of putting the dates down first, and then I've not put any decor up here, and I always regret that. So then, gosh, this is so pretty. And part of me is like, don't use it all, because you also need some for your horizontal spread and the rest. So I almost have to be not sparing about how I use it, but okay. I'm also going to use some of Allie's florals and combine it with, oh, already I'm like, what do I do? Forget that there's this here, which is gorgeous. I'm going to stick this at the bottom here, with a little bit of this. I'm going to take some of this gray washi, because I think this steel bow from Simply Gilded is fantastic. Actually, I'm just going to rip it by hand, because sometimes it just looks better when it's ripped like that. Oh my goodness. And then I'm going to actually rip a little bit up here. Beautiful. Then I'm going to actually take this and place it like this maybe, or yeah, place it like this. Then how do I want to do this? Take one of these. Oh, I love it. And then take a little bit of this. And it's just the layering. All it is layering, and I don't know what it is, but I am a fan of the layering. Then maybe just a tiny bit of this, like half of it. One half I'm going to place here. Actually, what I'm going to do is place one of Allie's florals along this side here. Actually, maybe not the poppies. I'm going to stick with the dahlias. And gosh, so many stickers on my, I'm going to cut that in half. And just Put that right to the edge. Oh, love it. And then place this one here, down like so. Because I don't know, I don't necessarily want it to look exactly the same as the other side. With this and a little bit of this. Whoops, not straight. Love it. That I'm gonna add some of this wild oat washi too. There we go. And then I need something in the corner, and then I can date it, and then I think I'll be extremely happy to put down the functional. Normally I do the functional first in a spread like this, but I am gonna white out where it says notes. It just felt like the right move to go with the decoration first in this one. So I'm gonna love this mustard color, but I think I'm gonna do the gray here with a bit of this steel bow again. And then I think for decoration, I'm gonna call it right to the edge. Oh, yay! So then now I'm gonna put down the days of the week, and these days of the week are from my sticker shop, which I will link in the description below. But again, I just love, I'm gonna, do I want to put it lower? Yeah, I'm gonna put it lower for this one, and that's okay. Oh, there's something about being able to, whoopsie, put down my own stickers in a spread. I'm loving it. And then I'm going to put down Allie's date covers, which are beautiful. And then I'll go in and write in the word meetings and my tasks, and then the spread will be done. This came along, it came together so quickly. I'm going to use these numbers. What's Monday? 13th. Oh, I love that. Beautiful. Perfect. All right, so I can start putting some of this stuff to the side, and then I decided that in terms of meetings and tasks and to-dos, I'd be using these colors. I was going to use gray. Gray would work well here too, but I don't know. There is my overall finished spread, and I actually love the mix of the mod liners with the washi. I think this spread came together so well. So once again, I used decor stickers from the Scarlet kit from Let's Planet. There it is. I used some Dahlia stickers from According to Allie, as well as her #1 stickers. If you want to purchase any stickers from According to Allie, please use code Karina15 to get 15% off your order. And I also use some stickers from my own shop. So these are the days of the week stickers. And then I used some washi from Simply Gilded. Love how this all came together. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.